How to submit risk assessment recommendation in Tantoo. Got delegated a task to submit a recommendation for risk assessment based on the AML results? Here's how to conduct and submit the recommendation in Tantoo. First, you will need to open your mailbox and view your new task delegated to you. In the email, click on the link which will take you to Tantoo. Sign in with your email and password. Once you're in the Tantoo platform, you will be directed to the Risk Assessment Recommendation page. Here is where you view and complete 2 checklists. You can also access this page by clicking on Dashboard, then Incorporation, to view the list of tasks and their status. To complete the Risk Assessment Recommendation checklists, click on it and you will be back to the checklists. Once you're in the page, do select who will be the approving officer before completing the checklist. Click Sign with right signature to endorse the document after you have completed it. The red arrows indicate the portions which require your action. You can sign by drawing your signature or typing your name, and click Submit after you've completed all the fields. Next, you will have to fill up the second checklist by clicking on Fill Up Checklist. Again, complete the document and sign it. The last step is to upload your AML or CFT report before hitting Complete Task. And that's how you submit a risk assessment recommendation in Tantoo.